I want to show you a very simple trick, a simple method that would help you to recover your lost designs in Pixellab. So this is Pixellab. Usually, when you open the application for the first time, you would notice a pop-up message. Let's try and open it. Now this is, I've already opened it, that's why we didn't get it. So I'm going to open it afresh again like this. You will notice a pop-up message. This message right here that says an autosave of your last section is available. Do you want to recover it? Now, what this means is that while you were designing, the last work you were working on is still available. There's an autosave. It happens in CorelDRAW, it happens in Photoshop also. So this is Pixellab. And that autosave, if you couldn't save it before, if you didn't save it before, for any reason your phone went up or you left the application for too long and then the thing closed by itself, then you will see this message here. If you click on it, it's going to help you to recover what you were working on. So for example, if I click on it now, it's going to open a design that I was working on before now. This is it. All right. Now, apart from this, another method you can use to get back your lost files or the designs you were working on before is to go over to this three icon here, this guy here. Then you go to recover auto save. It is right there on your screen. Look at it here. Recover auto save. Now you will click on it and you're going to see some files that has been saved. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You will see it according to the date and according to the time. Now, you need to pay attention to the time because that is what will help you to recover your file. You may not be able to recover all the files, but the recent one you were working on, you will get it. So, if I go as far back as to the bottom one here, I mean this last one here. If I go as far back as this last one here, and I click on it like this, it's going to return the file that I was working on at that time. You will see it will open. This was the file that I was working on. This was what I was working on at that time. If I go again and I click maybe this one here, it will take me to the one I was working on at that time. All right, it's obvious that I worked on this design throughout that period. That is why you are seeing all this autosave showing and repeating itself. So if you have a design you were working on before and all of a sudden you could not find the design, all you needed to do is to go back. So let me open one of this design now. I've opened this one now. This is the last thing that I've opened. All right, this is the last thing that I have opened. So I'm going to go out of this Pixellab now. Look at it. I'm going out. I've gone out, right? If I open it again, they will ask me if I want to recover the last section. I will click on it and it's going to recover the last section. This last section means that it was what I was working on. Do you know why? Let me show you. If I open this file now, if I open this file again, and this is what I want to do now, I want to work on it. So let me just say I move this to here, or I even just edit this. All right, by doing this action, I have worked on this design. So I can go here and I will click on save changes. By saving changes, I have shown that I have worked on the design. So if I go back again and open this Pixellab, that design is going to be the one I will open just like you see right here. Do you understand? So if you lost your design, maybe your phone went off or you were distracted by other things and you came back again, ensure you click to see what you were working on before, or you come over to the auto save recover and then you search here to get it. I hope you got value from this video. My name is Niamweda. Do it to subscribe for more tutorials like this and I will see you.